Presenting the 2012 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include front and rear towing, an alarm system, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, front airbags, child safety locks, child restraint seats, anti-theft system, power outlets, air conditioning, power steering. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."